This is a sample product for review by Maylit. It is a 3 12-inch wired 110 volt, 24 volt output LED strips. Check online for further details about the models they offer. They offer white, colored RGB, and so forth. It is remote control driven. Please remember to peel and pull the plastic tab off for the CR 2025 battery remote control. We have the brick that is supplied with enough cable with a special DIN plug, 110 volt, 24 volt output, self-adhesive clips, metal clips, and self-adhesive pads. And in the box, you have separate the 12-inch LED strips, 3 of them. One has a remote control sensor located on the end. Plug in the DIN cable and you're ready to go. You have an instruction guide. Now, you don't have to plug all 3 in. This is the center one. It has the plug on one side, male, female on the other side. You can plug 1, 2, 3, follow the instructions provided in the manual. We're going to go to the test table and show you what this looks like. Just to give you an idea, when you walk over towards your counter, these are what lights will look like underneath the cabinet. So here I am at the test table. We have the lights. I'm going to show you how simple it is to hook up. All you need to do is take everything to the side, plug into the AC, your strip at one end. You're going to plug in the DIN cable and the light will automatically light up. All you need to do is take the next cable and you want to match up correctly the plug. It goes in one particular way. It won't go in the other way. Make sure you snap it in. It is a firm snap to go in, as you can see, and the lights light up. And then the last one, the same way, you just look for the rounded edge, match up, and snap into place. A nice, solid push. And all the lights are on. With the remote control, you're able to turn off, and it shades down, and turn on, and it comes on pretty quickly. And you could decrease your lights and increase your lights by a certain amount of levels. Now we're at the fullest. We have a choice of colors. We're going to hit the first button, and it goes to a warm Kelvin. Then we're going to hit the button across, and so forth. You can see the Kelvins changing. We have here's a timer. It'll blink and so forth. We just simply gone over the unit without great detail. Let me show you what the remote control looks nice and close up. The remote control has the off and on, the brightness levels and different types of dimness levels and controls, and the light controls on the bottom, and your timer schedules. Now on the control here, if we long press, we're able to brighten up the levels, and short press able to change the kelvins and the different brightnesses. As you can see, here's the film. Each light strips will get 2 of each. 2 self-adhesives that will go on the back, or clips with screws. You simply align up and measure and snap the clips into place into the groove areas located on each of the sides, like so. We're going to simply use the double-sided self-adhesive and snap on and show you at our work table. We simply peel off each of the ends and simply a higher. We have our cabinet over here. We simply peel the ends off. We're going to demonstrate showing you how it goes underneath and sticks up. And then you take the next one and you place it all the way around, or if you have an angle, you can do so as well, or place on a wall. Peel the sticker on one side first. Place on. Peel the sticker on the opposite side next. Repeat for the opposite side by peeling the sticker, placing on and down, and peeling the opposite sticker side off. In our demonstration purposes, one is going to be hung and placed on to the unit. Hold firmly for a number of seconds. Then we take the sticker of the clip, we slide the wiring through, and we bring it tight and press up. And then we take the opposite end and we do the same as well. On the opposite end of the sticker, it's already a self-adhesive. We pull off and we place up. Unwrap your tie wrap. If a mistake is made, you could simply take off and place on to the opposite side. And we're going to do like so. We plug in our unit and we could brighten and dim our unit. With the screw and clip and an optional screwdriver, we're going to tighten down. We're going to loosen up and adjust. And we're going to snap on. On the bottom of our shelves, we're going to place on our light. We peel the paper, slide the wire through, and we press down firmly to lock into place. These have snap-ons that hold the wire into place. Press down and snap. So now we have our lights hooked up and we shut our lights off to show you. With the manual touch, you can see how the light shuts off by the pressing and turns on. Long pressing will change to the different brightness levels and so forth. With the remote control, we could turn off and on our light. As you learn your light system found online or in the manual, this is sleep mode. You have different types of modes and different kelvins from 3000. You have different types of kelvins from 2700 to 6000 Kelvin, and the light adjustment up and down and manual. The remote control can be stuck on the wall as a switch or left on the counter where you like. I hope this is a product that you're looking for underneath cabinets, workbench areas, and more. We demonstrated underneath our workbench area and hope you enjoy the product if this is something that you are looking for in a lighting system. It is a 110 volt, 24 volt output with high lumens and variable lighting features and functions. Check online for further details about your product. And thank you for viewing.